Hi, today quick this Behringer B2 Pro XLR mic test. For connect this mic to PC I use MU0404 USB sound card with phantom power. B2 Pro mic use large condenser type capsule for very good vocals recording quality. I record my voice about 10 cm far away from this mic. Recording level is about 65%. Now listen mic noise floor. Noise floor level are amazing good. It's mic kill with price performance. This mic kill you with This mic kill with price performance. Now quick mic check sounds. 1, 2, 3. Check the mic. Mic is okay. 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 Now watch look inside video part.